Yo, today I will show you how to get Instagram followers completely for free using app. As you can see, right now I have 18,000 followers using just one trick, and today I will show you how. So first, we open browser and go to website rapidboost.net. So it's rapidboost.net. And on this website we can get Instagram likes and followers, but today I will show you how to get followers. So let's click on followers. And right now we can choose how many followers we want to receive. As you can see, there's a price below each pack, but today I will show you how to get it for free. So don't worry guys. So let's choose, for example, 1000 followers. Buy now. Alright, and now we need to enter our Instagram username. So let's go back to application. And our username is at the top of the screen. So here's my username. So let's type it in. Next. Alright, and here we click enter your code. And the code is firstx100deal. Apply. Alright. And as you can see, now we can get 1000 Instagram followers completely for free. So let's place the order. Alright, thank you, your order has been received. So yeah, now we just need to wait 5 or 10 minutes for followers to start showing up. And as you can see, I received over 1000 Instagram followers, so it's really amazing. So thank you for watching and bye.